Krishna everyone. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we are gonna make one healthy quick recipe of baby corn for kids snack time. It's super healthy, tasty and very quick recipe. So all the yummy mummy who are watching us from that side of the camera, please do try. It's a very healthy option for your snack time. For the recipe we need ingredient baby corn, this sliced potato, onion, garlic and some leftover mushroom I have in my fridge, so we took the mushroom. And this is soya sauce, vinegar, maida, corn flour, tomato ketchup, oil to fry, and this is Szechuan chutney. I personally like this, so I kept it's optional. Now we have to put all these ingredients in a big pot to mix. Only onion and garlic we are gonna use to stir fry, and rest other things we will saute with salt. Pause for the Yeah, I have mixed some salt into the sliced vegetable. Now I am adding some corn flour.
I want to eat.
Oh, you want to add the corn flour? Please add the corn flour here. Very good. Very good. Now we are going to add some corn flour and some maida. This is my cheat because corn flour does not make crunchy, so I always add maida. Some people add only corn flour, some people mix with maida and corn flour. Now you have to toss the vegetable into these batter very nicely, and if water required, because we put salt na, so vegetable leave water, so required quantity water you need to add. And you have to make a batter of this vegetable and maida and corn flour. Now I have already heated up the oil. We will put these dumplings into the heat oil. See, it's hot oil. I am putting these sliced potato and corn slowly, and it will be very crunchy. It will take some time. Fry in a medium heat so that it should be well done, nicely crisp outside and moist from inside. And since we add maida, it will be really very crunchy and chewy. That's why children are gonna love this. Deep fry it until it gets brown properly. Don't add full of the pieces at one time. Take some time. You can do it in 2 or 3 batches. I have enough big karai, but still I will be doing in 2 batches.
Mom, excuse me.
Sure, baby. What happened?
Can I eat?
Right now you want to have plate and spoon? No, baby, please.
No, I want to wait. You can give.
Or you want to wait? Yeah, sure. Give me some time. I will give you.
I will share with my daddy.
What do you want to share with your daddy?
It's a spoon.
Okay.
Let me make a spoon.
अब हमने इसको डीप फ्राई कर लिया है. We already deep fry all the things. Now this is still on the process. Now I will take another frying pan and I need a flat pan because this is we are going to do stir fry. Meanwhile, this deep fry is still going, second batch, but one batch already done. I have kept over there. So this is my second batch already still in process, so that I can show you at what time we have to remove this from the pan. We need it crisp, golden crisp. Then we can remove these vegetables from the pan. Now we take another pan. I am heating the oil. We don't need much oil because this is, we are going to do stir fry, a saucy thing which we want to incorporate into these crunchy vegetables. So I am making that Chinese saucy thing. I have added all the big pieces of garlic. We don't need much small pieces. Small piece. These, we need to have the bite of this. So these size of pieces will be more than enough. And when it will be done, some raw flavor will be gone from the garlic. That time we will add onion. We will add onion into it. We don't want to fry it well since we want to have the bite. So we have to just shallow fry it. Nicely shallow fry it. Once the raw flavor will be gone, we can add some sauce like soya sauce, vinegar, chili, salt, and we are not going to add any corn flour again because we don't want that thick sauce. We just want a shallow fry thing where we will incorporate these crunchy pieces. See, these are also getting crunchy slowly. We have to fry in medium heat only so that it should be nicely done from inside as well. This is we are making. See, all the onion got turned pink. That means it's almost done. But garlic needs little more time, so I will be waiting little more. Once it will be done. Yeah, this is the right time. This is the right time to add soya sauce and vinegar. I'm gonna add this soya sauce and vinegar. Why I add this time? Because vinegar will nicely cook, then I will not get the pungy smell of the vinegar. Once the vinegar we cook now, that raw flavor of vinegar has to done out because I don't want that flavor to go inside my vegetable. So I want to cook little bit. Yeah, it's done. See? And my vegetable also turned very crunchy. Slowly, see? Little more time I need to give to these vegetables because potato, baby corn does not take much time to get fried, but the potato, it has to done very nicely from inside. So the potato takes little time. See, all the onion, garlic is simmering very nicely into the sauces, which now I'm gonna add some tomato ketchup, the simple tomato ketchup. A good quantity you have to add. This is what's gonna give the saucy texture to your crunchy crisp vegetable. At the end, before serving, we will put some crushed pepper into it. My sauce is ready. My vegetable crisp is ready. And now I took 1 handful of black pepper. This is very essential. And kids generally don't like to have. But if you give it in this way, they're definitely gonna love this, and they will not come to know that they are having this. Coarsely done, not very nicely, but coarsely done. Since all the soya sauce and tomato sauce already contain some salt, you need to check the salt before adding any salt. Now my vegetables are ready. I'm gonna transfer the crispy vegetable fry into this pan. These are also I'm gonna transfer. Before serving, please do check the salt. If required, then only add. I have not added any chili flakes, but according to the taste, you people can add the chili flakes. Since my baby is gonna have this, so I did not add any chili flakes, but chili flakes does taste very good in this. You nicely coat the vegetables into the sauce. And now my secret ingredient, I'm gonna add in finishing this Szechuan sauce. In any such kind of preparation, you just simply add 2 full spoon of Szechuan sauce. It really tastes very well. Nicely coat all the vegetables. See what a beautiful color we got. It's very tempting. Kids really like it because of the color, because of the texture and the chewy and crunchy vegetables. And trust me, it's very healthy since it's a baby corn. It's ready. Now I'm just gonna do the plating. I'm just gonna do the plating. Plating pore kore. So this is how it looked after coming out from the karai and all. It is very delicious, crunchy, and very yummy. I hope you gonna try, and you people will like it surely. Please.